Looking for the feeling, trying to chase the moment. Got everybody thinking. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Guzelian, and just want to say that I miss doing this a vlog or video or content. um, I got busy for 2 weeks. I took care of myself. I need time to, do the house. It was too much, and we're moving things. My mom is coming here soon, so I'm readying the house for her. I want to make sure that she's gonna be comfortable. Everyone's gonna be comfortable, and yeah, I move all the candle supplies. I was planning to do like a vlog about that, but it was too much. It was so messy, and yeah, I decided not to do that. And yeah, I want to show that behind the scene of having a candle business from home. But yeah, I didn't do it because it's too much. Like every day, you will get stuck doing house chores, and yeah, I took care of my yeah, I need the time to take care of my mental health, my body until I'm ready to make videos again. So yeah, today I'm ready to do this video, and I'm really excited because I never made this video, this specific candle thing. So yeah, today's video is gonna be candle making, which is our favorite. Yeah, so I'm gonna make glitter candle, and it's gonna be um pure white, no colors. So yeah, let's start from simple. And I need to test this week before I make, different colors. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, I have three molds here. I keep calling it rose. I don't know. This is not rose. I think they call it peony, but I don't know. Every time I'm like making notes, I'm like rose flower. But yeah, I don't know what's peony, but I love flowers. I love the everything about it. Beautiful, and I like flowers in the candles. That's why I'm doing it. So yeah, again, we have three molds here. I don't want to make one only because when I take pictures, I want to show like different sides, and I like that there's candle next to it. So you know that's why we're gonna make three. So last night I washed all my candle molds, and yeah, some of them still wet. So what I did is I used this, what's the name? Heat gun. Yeah, I use heat gun to dry them. Make sure they're dry before you pour the candle wax. Make sure you use paper towel or tablecloth, to dry them, and heat gun. It's gonna be fast with heat gun. Next, what we're gonna do is get the pillar wax and all the things that we need. We have the three flower mold there, and then the mica powder, and then we're gonna put my pillar wax here. So I have damaged candles that I need to remelt, and that's what we're gonna use for this candle making video. We're gonna remelt this, guys. This candle, as you can see, it's damaged. And then this one. So yeah, fragrance oil, mica powder, mold, measuring cups. Or also, you're gonna use this dropper So guys, our wax is melted here. And I'm gonna put it here. So it doesn't, damage that thing. And I have the respiratory respirator? I forgot the word. Respirator. Oh. Respirator. So I'm gonna start. I will put it on once I mix the. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put it on now. I'm expecting a lot.